My name is Jan. Welcome back for another video. Today we are gonna play called Pokemon Red version in GBC or Game Boy Advance, Game Boy Color. Nostalgia hits. Let's go. New game. 3. Welcome to the world of Pokemon. My name is Ok. People call me the Pokemon Prof. This world is inhabited by creature called Pokemon. For some people, Pokemon are pets, others use them for fights. Myself, I study Pokemon as a profession. First, what is your name? Okay, so we're gonna pick Red. Right, so your name is Red. This is my grandson. He's been your rival since you were a baby. What is his name again? Blue. That's right, I remember now. His name is Blue. Red, your very own Pokemon legend is about to unfold. A world of dreams and adventure with Pokemon awaits. Let's go. Okay, see this. Red is playing the SNES or Super Nintendo. Okay, it's time to go. Wait. Option on, shift, set. Yeah, good. Okay, so let's go now. Okay, we're going down, and we're gonna talk mom. Oops, wrong side. Mom, right, all boys leave. Come home someday, it said so on TV. Prof. Oak next door is looking for you. Okay. I'm raising Pokemon too. When they get strong, they can protect me. Pallet Town, shades of your journey awaits. Blue House. Okay. Let's go. Oak. Hey, wait, don't go out. It's Professor Oak. It's unsafe. Wild Pokemon live in tall grass. You need your own Pokemon for your protection. I know. Here, come with me. So, Professor Oak, we're gonna come with you. Okay. Grumps, I'm fed up with waiting. Blue, let me think. Oh, that's right. I told you to come. Just wait. Here, Red. There are 3 Pokemon here. Ha 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 ha. They are inside the Pokeball. When I was young, I was a serious Pokemon trainer. In my old age, I have only 3 left. But you can have 1. Choose. Oh, hey, Grumps, wait. What about me? Be patient, Blue. You can have 1 too. So, hey, who's this? It's Charmander. Obviously prefer hot place when it rains. Steam it says to spout from the tip of its tail. You want the fire Pokemon? No. Next. Squirtle. After birth, its back swells and hardens into a shell, powerfully sprays foam from its mouth. So you want the water Pokemon? No. Okay. A strange seed was planted on its back on birth. The plant sprouts and grows with this Pokemon. So you want the Pokemon? Yes. This Pokemon is really energetic. Okay, we receive Bulbasaur. Do you want to leave a nickname? I think no. So I'll take this one then. Receive Charmander. Okay. Wait, Red. Let's check out your Pokemon. Come on, I'll take. Oh, come. I'll take you. Okay, so we're gonna fight Blue. Okay. Blue wants to fight. Blue sent out Charmander. Go Bulbasaur. You can do it. So we're gonna use Tackle. Oh no. For damage. Okay. Bulbasaur attack. Well, Bulbasaur use Tackle. Another. Okay. We're gonna use. Oh no. Critical hit. Bulbasaur use Growl. Okay. Tackle. Okay, and down we are dead. Critical hit. Enemy Charmander use Growl. Bulbasaur. Tackle. Okay. Enemies. Okay, we are not dead. Okay. We are dead now. Okay. Now we are okay. Okay, I think we are gonna win this. Let's go. We are winning. Bulbasaur. Go to level 6. Red defeated Blue. What? Unbelievable. I picked the wrong Pokemon. Red got 175 for winning. Okay, I'll make my Pokemon fight to totem it up. I'll smell you later. Now we're going now. Technology is incredible. You can now store and recall items. Pokemon as data via PVC. Ox Pokemon Research Lab. Okay. Now let's go. Now we're gonna talk this. Hi, I work at a Pokemon Mart. It's a convenience shop, so please visit us in Viridian City. I know, I'll give you a sample. Here you go. Red got potion. Okay. Get now a potion. Oh no, our first battle. So what is it? Okay, it's PG. So go Bulbasaur. Now we're gonna use Tackle. Enemy PG use gas. Okay, another Tackle. Enemy PG use gas. Okay. Another Tackle. Enemy PG use gas. Another Tackle. Okay, good. Enemy PG fainted. Bulbasaur gained 23 X point. Okay, let's go. Okay, we're going in now. Trainer tips. The battle moves of Pokemon are limited by their power points. To replenish PP, press your target's Pokemon at a Pokemon Center. Okay? Now, welcome to our Pokemon Center. We heal your Pokemon back to perfect health. Shall we heal? Okay, we'll need your Pokemon. Thank you. Your Pokemon are fighting fit. We hope to see you again. Okay. Oh no. You want to know about the two kinds of caterpillar? Wow. Okay, no? Okay then. So, Mark. Okay, Mark. Hey, you came from Pallet Town. You know Prof. Ox, right? His order came in. Will you take it to him? Rock got Ox parcel. Okay, so girl, going in now. Now we are in the Pallet Town. So we're gonna go to Ox, Professor Ox to give the parcel. Oh, Red, how is my old Pokemon? Well, it seemed so like you a lot. You must be talented as a Pokemon trainer. What, you have something for me? Red delivers Ox parcel. Ah, this is the custom Pokeball I order. Thank you. Grams, what did you call me for? Alright, I have a request of you two. On the desk there is my invention Pokédex. It automatically records data on Pokemon you've been caught or caught. It's a high-tech encyclopedia. Red and Blue, take this with you. Red got Pokédex from Ox. Okay, to make a complete guide on all the Pokemon in the world. That's why it's my dream, but I'm too old. I can't do it. So I want you to fulfill my dream for me. Get moving, you two. This is a great undertaking in Pokemon history. Alright, Gramps, leave it to me. I have to say it, but I don't need you. I know. I'll borrow a town map from my sis. I'll tell her not to lend you one. Ha ha ha. Okay. So we're going in now. Grandpa asks you to run an errand. Here, this will help you. Friends got down about. Okay. We're going in the house. You should take a quick rest. How good you and your Pokemon are looking great. Take care now. So we're going now. Hi there, may I help you? So we're gonna buy some Pokeball. Only 5. That will be 1,000. Here you are. Thank you. Okay, no. I cancel. Wait. Thank you. Now we're gonna catch some Pokemon. Let's go. Okay, we get now. Wait, we get now a Pidgey. A tiny bird, a common sight in a forest and woods. It flaps its wing at ground level to kick up blinding sun. Okay. Ratata. Bites anything when its attack is small and very quick. It is a common sight in many places. Okay, good. So, I'm gonna find some those Pokeball at your waist. You have Pokemon. It's great that you can carry and use Pokemon anytime, anywhere. Okay, going up. Red found a potion. Now we can fight the Pokemon. Okay, so we get Ratata. Okay, so Pokédex. We'll find some Nidoran. Nidoran is a poison pimp. Height stiffens its ear to sense danger. The larger its horn, the more powerful its secret venom. Okay. Is there venom? So far so good. Okay, going down. Okay, there's no way. Blue, hey Red, you're going to Pokemon League. Forget it, you probably don't have any badge. The guard won't let you through. By the way, did your Pokemon get any stronger? Okay, we're gonna second fight for Blue. Okay, Blue wants to fight. Blue sent out PGO, it's level 9. Oh no. Tackle. We're gonna lose this. Okay. Anyways, Nidoran. Okay, web only Bulbasaur. Tackle. Okay. Dead now. Okay, last one. Now he's dead. Now Bulbasaur grew to level 9. Okay. Charmander. So level 8. Some tackle. Okay. Other tackle. Item. Last potion. Okay. Covered by 20. Ano? Cancel. Okay. Enemy Charmander evaded the attack. Attack. Failed use tackle. Okay. Okay. Use tackle. Other tackle. Okay. I think we're dead now. Now we're dead. Yeah, am I great or what? No. Can we go back? Okay, another. Nagkain to pa ka man dito. Okay, blue wants to fight. Okay. Pinchy. Atata. Hey, Red, you're going to Pokemon for it. You probably don't have any badge. The guard would. By the way, did your Pokemon get any stronger? Okay. PG. Okay. So we're gonna swap. Okay, last one. Bulbasaur's the final. So we're gonna use tackle. Okay, finish. Okay, next. Blue sent out Charmander. So we're gonna use tackle. Okay. Critical hit. Anyway, Charmander. Let's release. Okay. Blue. Now it's dead. Last one. Okay, Bulbasaur grew to level 13. Learn Vine Whip. Now we just lock out. Okay. I heard Pokemon pag ligas many throw turnier. I have to figure out how to get last them. You should quit dawdling and get move on. Okay. Now, so let's go now. Okay, no. My dad loves Pokemon too. Coming up with nickname is fun outright. Simple names are the easiest to remember. When I go shop in Peter City, I have to take the Finding Trail in Viridian Forest. I've had many coffee in you and I feel great. Sure, you can go through. Are you in a hurry? Yes. Time is money. Go along. Trainer tips. Catch Pokemon and expand your collection. The more you have, the easier it is to fight. Okay? Oh no. Okay, that's for all today's video. See you next episode. Bye-bye.